Let me show you some updates I've made on the project. So here I've added a button stop, and also here it will be for manual mode, and also it will be for automatic mode. So it will mean that we can stop robot when it moves. For example, we can click calculate inverse, robot start move, then we can stop it by stop button. Also we can continue from this position and again stop it and continue again. So now we can stop the robot to receive this command. Also similar initial position, stop, then continue to move to initial position. So here this button was added. So if you take a look to this button, so here when we press button we activate, and when we reset we deactivate. So it's in this code inverse skin. So this code is here. So this robot operate variable was added to the script. So here the button, we modified variable to true or false based on the button position. Also, when we call every function, we want our robot work. So we want this variable make true. So if robot doesn't work, this will be deactivated. So again, let's take a look to this. So currently, if robot moves, this is activated. If we click stop, so this should be also deactivated. So we see that it was deactivated, so robot stopped, and then we can continue again. So it was firstly reset, then activated, so we can continue motion. So here also when we start every function back to initial position, we make it true. Drill preposition make this variable true, and for other we make this variable true. Backward and forward. So when, and also we will have now function robot stop. So that's what we receive from TA portal. So if we take a look to PLC, so here we will add a robot stop variable. So it's this address, same address in TA portal, robot stop 1.4. So when we wanna stop our robot, we call this function inverse skin robot stop. Also, so if it false, firstly if it's true, we make our robot move. So for this part we make robot move. If it's false, we exit this part, so robot will not move. So here it called coroutine, so in coroutine we called repeated action. Also here if we receive this variable, we stop the coroutine, so also robot will stop. Next we just modify the robot from this function, so step by step. Again, how many steps we have. So here we modify our robot. So now let's see how it also will work from TA portal. For TA portal, I also modified the drill process. So we start drill when we click start button, start drill. Also we can reset it with other buttons and with the signal end of the drill. We move forward when we start the drill. So when we start the drill, we move forward. Robot moves forward, and this forward action will be reset by the sensor 3. and also move back memory backward. So here, when we move forward, also I made the robot stop for 1 second, just to show how this signal is working. So if we reach sensor 3, which is this sensor, so here we make robot stop for 1 second. So there's just for example. So here we will have the robot stop for 1 second. And backward command will be when this 1 second pass, so it's the signal from this timer. So when we passed 1 second, also we remember this position. Also we have the start drill, so we move backward till we reach the sensor 1. And here we have the move back memory, just intermediate variable. So when we move backward past sensor 2, so we just need to know that we move backward. And don't have end of the drill command and have start of the drill. So this we save, move back memory. If we have this memory, so we know that we move backward, also reach sensor 1. Again, here we have the timer. So here we will make the robot stop, and after 1 second we form the signal end of the drill. So the signal end of the drill will also reset our start drill, so we can start it again. So let's take a look at this. How will it work? So again, firstly, we can move to the drill preposition. Just don't touch objects in the environment. Next, we move to the drill position. Next, we start drill. So here currently we will have the move forward command. So robot. Okay, firstly, let me show you again. Firstly, let's see just how it works with T portal. So we move forward. When we reach this sensor, robot stand for 1 second, then move backward. So here we form move backward memory, and here when we reached the first sensor, also robot stop. Now let's see how it also relates to T portal. So again, start drill. So here now we will see that robot will stop, so this command will be formed. Now we have move back memory. Also here robot stop, and after 1 second we reset everything. Next, similar, we can move, for example, to the drill position. So activate this, so robot will move to the drill position. Next, for example, drill preposition. And for example, for initial position. And next we need to modify it to 0 so we can start everything again, for example. What about updates?